Summer break, one of the best times of the year. You don't have school, you have so much free time. There's endless amounts of opportunities for you to do. And last summer, instead of just playing video games all the time, I decided to try to make some money. If you would have asked me last year what I was doing over the summer, I would have just said I'm on my grind, I'm hustling. I was so locked in to try to make some money that day after day, I would be on my computer trying to learn some stuff, trying to make money. But then as the days go by, a month passes. It's July. I go on a little vacation, do some cool things, and then I'm back to trying to make money. Then it's the last month of my summer break, August. My elbows hurt from how long I've been resting my arms on the desk. My butt hurts from how long I've been sitting. My face is so oily and just disgusting. My headphones just destroying my ears. But as I'm hustling out these last weeks in August, something happens. I wake up the next day and I put on my clothes. I put on my backpack and I'm waiting for the bus. School started again and I practically spent the whole summer like I did last year. I take the L for another summer. But then something happens. When I'm at school for 8 hours a day, when I do sports, when I have games, I started to see some change. It's not that I was working harder on business or something or on my grind, but I started to make money. If you're not sure who I am, I'm Timothy, and I just love sharing these things that I've learned or done in my life and giving it to you, so hopefully you can think about something that I say. Right now I make about $1,000 each month, give or take a couple hundred. If you like the environment I'm in, you thought my story was a little interesting, consider subscribing because I'll be posting more videos like these and hopefully you can get better from what I say. But with the $1,000 a month I'm making right now, which I don't want to sound egotistical or something like that, but it's probably going to be a lot more in the next few months of my life. Hopefully that can give you some motivation so you understand how easy it feels for me to make money. I remember one time on Sunday at 5 p.m. I was supposed to go on a call with someone who's interested in my coaching, daily accountability, like all those things that I do. And when I first saw that email that I got another call, I was pretty hyped about it, like another call, let's go, another potential client that can, make me some more money. But as the day happens, it's 3 p.m. It's so sunny outside. It's so nice out like it is right now. But I have to go on this call with someone who doesn't even sound that interested in my coaching thing. So I'm just sitting inside like I was during the summer and just waiting for this call to happen. And then as soon as 5 p.m. hits, I open the thing to do the call and he doesn't join. And I was just, I wanted to not do that call so badly, but I was just like, I'll just do it, whatever, like see what happens. And he doesn't show up. It's like, whatever, I honestly don't care. I instantly close my computer and just go outside because I would have rather spent the day outside, maybe missed a client, than actually just stay inside and get some little bit of money. Because especially for me right now, I'm 16, I don't need money at all, my parents aren't about to go broke or something. I don't need money. And I really want you to think about this too. Do you even need the money? I strongly believe it's much better to go outside, get some experiences, do some cool things, and then use all that knowledge that you've been building up for the past years because you don't need money when you're in those years of going out, doing more things. And then making money and it being 10 times more easier than trying to make money right now when it's so hard because you barely did anything in your life. I really hope I'm not coming off as rude or something, but this is just exactly how I was. I barely did anything in my life. I was scared of going outside. I used that as an excuse, like, I'm on my grind, I'm hustling, so I'm not going to go outside. I'm not going to try to talk to someone. I'm not trying to go out with my friend. But I'll also be honest, I'm glad I thought of making money over the summer. I'm glad I tried doing it. But I just wish I didn't spend my whole day trying to do it, I wish I got out a little more. I wish I had tried something new. I wish I signed up for something over the summer. So I want you to also think about, are you spending your whole day trying to make money? And have you been spending months and so many hours trying to make money, but it just doesn't work out? Maybe because you even have some bad habits that you do. If you really want to start making more money and start quitting those bad habits, I do have a coaching package thing that I do. So if you're interested in that, click on that link in the description. Book a call on that Calendly link in the description. I'd be so excited to tell you everything that I offer in my coaching thing. I can get you to start making money, I can get you to quit your bad habits, and I could start making you live a better life. Also, if you want a way you can talk to hundreds of people right now, join that like-minded club in the description. We all want to get better and hold each other accountable on living better lives. It feels way better now that I'm able to go to school, play sports, do these fun things in my life, and also make money at the same time. This cast thing that's on my thumb, by the way, if you're interested in what this is, this happened yesterday when I was playing a lacrosse game. The kid hit me in the freaking thumb, bro, and my nail just broke and it's bleeding and it's crazy. But I'm so glad I can get those experiences, have that fun, exciting moments in my life besides just being inside all day. And also, if you really want money, you can make money in person too. It doesn't have to be online. Maybe your parents don't want you to set up a bank account or something, so you can always make money in person. That's what I've been doing too. Doing people's homeworks for cash, selling things that I don't need for cash, getting cash, bro. My wallet's pretty packed, bro. I understand that making money seems like a really cool thing to do, but as soon as I started to make some money, it was like, okay, I did it, then what? The first day it's hype, you break the belief that it isn't possible. It's a great milestone, but then you're like, okay, I just made $20, $90. What am I gonna spend that money on? That did not make back the hundreds of hours I've been spending trying to make money. Start doing more things at school, sign up for some sports team, sign up for some club, put yourself out there more, bike around where you live, find some cool spots around you. I talked a lot more about how you can stop feeling bored every single day and make every day sick and things like that. I talked about that in my other videos. And the cool thing is, when you start living your life more, doing sports and all these things, it gives you more things to talk about. It gives you more experience. So you're way more confident because you've been playing sports. You can talk to more people because you joined this club. All the things that you do in life correlate to making money. So if you do more things in your life, it's going to be way easier to make money. Once again, if you want to surround yourself with hundreds of people who all want to get better, join that like-minded club in the description. It's a great place, bro. So many cool people are in there. If you want me to personally help you and lift you up so you can start making money, start doing these cool things, click that Calendly link in the description to book a call for my coaching package. And do the algorithm stuff to spread this around. So like, comment, subscribe, share this with a friend, rate this 10 out of 10 stars so more people can see this. If you found this video helpful, please don't spend your whole life trying to make money, bro. It's not that deep. You can think about this, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. I'll see you later, bro. Please take care.